this.
I'm getting irritated. Yeah. I need something Scottish to calm down. Welcome to All Bill's Garage. The key V minor flat, augmented 7th, 9th, with a suspended pair of shorts. Okay, for the subscriber who asked about the Ducati pegs, Roddy was kind enough to send up a short video on how he made his pegs. I'll post it right now. Rod, show us how it's done. I'm going for lunch.
A couple of bolts that were already metric thread, and a little bit longer because it sticks out. Got myself an angle piece of aluminum, some pegs off of eBay for about 20 bucks. And yeah, drilled a hole in here in aluminum, and then it just rides on the crash bar, so it can't go this way. It's good and solid. And also, if we're ever to go down, hopefully never, this will fold up, and also this here will fold up this way, out of the way, because it just pivots here. Yeah, so that's what I've done. You got to get the right length. You know, I believe I'll put the tape measure up here, because your leg has to come down underneath the crash bar here, and then your foot on the peg. And if it's too short, then it depends what kind of or how long your legs are. Anyways, so my whole piece is 8 inches, and yeah, that's why I made it. 20 bucks, not a big deal.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at him go. Oh, he's just giving it on that little. I guess now if you don't go that well over 130, he's probably wondering what's going on. Oh, he's doing pretty good. Not bad. That little girl is a good little bike.